Alright, looks like clip 3 for today. I went ahead and mixed this stuff up, measured with water, and put a line there. That's one complete package of each of these, and it is so gooey and sticky. I'll put it here and show you that I can't, there's no way I can use this. It's got to be a little bit more fluid than that. I thought the Devcon 2-part stuff would be more runny and liquidy like this clear 5-minute stuff, but it's not. It was real snotty and sticky. So live and learn, right? It cost us what, 15 bucks or so to do that experiment, but I didn't bother trying to get it into the mold because we'd end up with huge air bubbles. Air voids in that thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix up the JB. Each of these being an ounce would make us 2 ounces. Let's hope this is enough. If not, we can always put a little of this on. The problem with this is 5-minute stuff, and this is 4-hour stuff. We really don't want to mix those two together if we don't have to, but we're going to get another little mixing cup and start mixing this stuff up and get this thing going. Live and learn, right? Live and learn. Hang in there, y'all. It'll get better.